Hi everyone, I've missed you. I know it's only been like 3 days maybe I didn't film, but it seems like eternity. I have been like cleaning and organizing, decluttering like crazy. Like my body hurts. I feel like I've been working out improperly, like bad form for days. But I'm almost there. I was gonna wait to film until I was totally done, but I can't wait. I miss you guys. I like talking to you. I know we're not like talking to each other, but we chat after in the comments. But anyways, I thought today we could do a quick video. Whenever I say quick, you guys are probably like, yeah, okay, you're gonna ramble. So I was going to wait to get all of my Ipsy stuff, but I'm still waiting on my Ipsy Plus. So today we're going to open up the Ipsy limited edition emerald bag, and I love it. Okay, so emerald's my birthstone, and it matches my couch. So they had a bunch of different, I think there's 6, or was there 4? I don't know, but they had multiple of these limited edition boxes or bags for Black Friday, and they actually gave you like a clue of what was inside. So they were $14, and it was like a retail value of $58.46 or something like that. I just looked, something close to that. And they gave you examples of what would be inside, and you get 1 bonus. So you get 5 products and then a bonus item. And yeah, I did try on 2 of the items, I guess 3 you could say, that come in here. 2 things came outside the bag, so it did ship in the usual Ipsy mailer bag, and it is a little bit smaller than some of the bags. So normally in my Ipsy videos I do like a bag tip of the month. I don't have one from you guys to share this time, but don't worry, we'll be opening up my Ipsy and my Ipsy Plus soon, and I will share your tips then. And as a bonus, if you'll forgive me, I realized when I have been cleaning and organizing that I use my Ipsy bags in a lot of different ways. I think we've mentioned a lot of them, or you guys have, in the Ipsy bag tips of the month, but I think it's about time when I'm done, if I ever finish, to show you guys like a tour of my place. Probably not like every room, but like my beauty room, this space here and stuff, maybe my bathroom, and how I use all my Ipsy bags. And if I have any extra, which I will, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I think there's gonna be 2 items in this video that will be in that giveaway in that video. So can't tell you a date now. I'm not good at even committing to something like an hour from now. So, but it will be coming, I promise. And I can't wait to show you. Also, I think there's gonna be some changes. I was like feeling creative the past few days. Today I'm just tired. Like my intro and stuff, so we're just gonna skip the last intro and get into the bag. And I'm sure it's no longer available. And I've showed you so many times. I'm like, look at it, it's green and I love it. And the background look is a little different. I'm probably gonna switch over the background a lot upcoming days and see what I like the best and hear your thoughts. So let me know what you think. I have some different lights I found. I found so much stuff. It's crazy how much you accumulate and forget about. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna stop saying I'm gonna stop rambling because that's not true. Let's get started. So there wasn't like a card or anything because mystery box, I don't think there was there? No. Oh cute, I didn't realize this. So I'm gonna take everything out and show you. Inside the bag it says thankful. Oh, I just wanna say I'm thankful for you guys. I know, I'm a cheesy motherfucker, but it's true. I knew filming would put me in a better headspace. And it is already. This bag is so cute. It's soft velvet, like my velvet green couch. I love it so much. So the 2 items outside the bag. Oh, I put them up here. One is my favorite blush brush, and I just washed it. I washed every single one of my brushes, and I realized I have like 1,000 of them, so I'm gonna have to declutter. And I said, I'm no longer going to keep any brushes I get unless they're like super unique and I don't have them ready. And when I got this, I was like, oh, but what about when it's dirty? I'm gonna want it. No, this brush is my favorite blush brush. I didn't think it would when I first saw it, but this is going to be in the upcoming giveaway I was talking about. And this is by SL Miss Glam. So this is what it looks like. Before I got this brush, this is the one I've used. Here's the one that came in the bag. It's new, it's fresh. I didn't use that. So when I first saw this, I was like, this looks more like a highlight brush. And no, I really like this, especially if you're going for a look to kind of like make your cheekbones lifted, I guess, like how you would put highlighter there. I like this because I just like kind of pat on the blush and then, you know, like do circle, like blend it in. And I love it so much. And oh my God, I didn't even realize till right now, this matches the bag in my couch too. So yeah, I like missed this when I was cleaning it, or like when it was in my dirty brush pile. I don't think I even like let it go that long. I like was really dirty, but like when I was finally starting to clean my brushes, that's when I moved it to the really big, like multiple dirty brush piles. And I really like it, and I'm excited to share it with one of you guys. My cats have been driving me nuts. The other thing outside the bag, I'm gonna give 3 things away to you guys. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway too. This should fit in one of the bags. If not, I'll put it like in the mailer bag. Yeah. This is a coffee scrub, so I prefer sugar scrubs for my body, but this is rose scented, and it is by Organic Feelings Los Angeles. And I like how it's a resealable bag, and on the back it says, "Sexy skin is just a scrub away. I'm filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils, which will help neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin." Coffee sounds good. It's really late. It's like 10:30 p.m. I only had like half a cup today, and I need more. And I'm gonna talk about my problems because it's a positive day. So the third thing I'm gonna give away. So I thought this looked familiar. It's in the bag. I'm all over the place. Don't judge me today, please. Don't judge me ever. That's not cool, but like, for real today. So I saw this packaging. I'm like, this looks really familiar. I don't know if I have it. It's by Pacifica, and it is the Wild Hemp-infused eyeshadow palette. So I opened it out of this bag. It was a struggle, to say the least. But I got it out without messing with the box too much, and I realized I do have it, and it was in a bag. So like while I've been decluttering and stuff, I've been putting together like gift piles for like close friends and family, and like also like a future giveaway pile, a donation pile. Like I've got a lot of piles going on. And one of my friends, I think it's my friend Jenny, I would put this in because I've only ever swatched it and maybe used it once, and I like checked. She doesn't care if I've used anything anyways. So I used this today, and I use every single shade, and I actually really like it. So this is a super teeny palette, and I was thinking about it. Like, you know how everyone's like, oh, that'd be good for travel. I think this would be good if you're someone that like does your makeup on the go, like, because this could literally fit in your pocket. I have pants on right now, which is, oh, they don't have pockets. They're fake pockets. I've been going through my closet too. Oh my, I've organized everything. Like, I've been working hard. I haven't been slacking and not filming. I've been like doing other stuff. So I was trying on some pants, and that's why I have these on, because I'm not really a pants person. They're big on me. That's why I kept them on. I'm like, I like this baggy fit. But yeah, they could fit in pockets, I assume. Maybe my back pocket. Is there a back one? Okay, yeah. Yeah, it fits in the back pocket. So if you're one of those people that like does your makeup on the go or whatever, like, I don't know. When people say like they would bring this to traveling, even if I did travel, like even before, I would just pack whatever I wanted, no matter what the size is. But maybe you're one of those people that's like annoying kids, you have to like pack stuff for them instead. Like I just pack whatever I want. I can go somewhere for a weekend, I have a huge ass bag, and I pack like 10 outfits for a day or two. Like I'm that person, and I will bring all my palettes that I want. But I think this would be good no matter what you do, because it's the 5 shades, like they look pretty similar, but you can actually get, well actually now I'm looking at the viewfinder and they look different with the light, but they work well and everything. I'm still gonna give this one to Jenny or whoever's been, I'm pretty sure, it doesn't matter. You guys don't care who it is for, because I think I have these shades in other palettes, but I'm glad I tried it again so I could know that I'm giving my friend a good product and let you guys know that it works well. The shades are really easy to blend. There's 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. Here, I'll swatch. I did earlier, but I didn't take a picture. I really like it. The brown I thought would be like maybe too warm, but it actually goes really well, and it like you can create this nice mauve-y look. My favorite lately. And yeah, I think this might be the only palette I've used by Pacifica. So yeah, it's very like neutral every day, but you can deepen up that brown. It like took me like a minute, not that long. I usually spend a lot of time on makeup anyways, but I was able to get some depth with this palette and everything, and it looks like it does come with a brush originally, just because there's a slot there, don't you think? I'm not gonna open another one, but I don't have that. But whoever wins that future giveaway I'm talking about, you'll get this palette, and I like it. I think it's cute, and it's really easy to ship to you too, so that's a plus for me. And you, I guess, because then I can maybe sneak some more things into your bag. Now on to another product. Actually, I tried another one too, but the product I use on my face is by Yensa, and I was really excited because I've never tried it before, and I really like Yensa products. I used 2 other Yensa products today. But let's talk about this first. This is the Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow, and this contains their 8 Super Blacks Essence. And I liked this. I have not tried a Yensa product I don't like. I have like fallen out of love with their lip oil just because my preferences have changed. I like thicker lip oils now. But this, it works well. So on the back it says it moisturizes and preps your skin, and it does. And then it says it blurs imperfections and pores. And when I read that, I was like, did it though? And then I looked like really up close, like with my mirror, and like my pores are definitely still visible. I've never, like, you know, there's no like miracle makeup to make or pores disappear or skincare product. It's genetic. But it did blur it a little bit. Like you could still see I had pores, but like it blurred it. And I was like, oh wow. Cause at first I thought it was just moisturizing and kind of gave a glow, but it does that as well. But it doesn't have that like silicone feeling either. I love their products. Like I've been using their BC foundation every day. For a while I was like switching up my foundation, but I'm just using this one. I love it. It's like has skincare benefits to it. It can be full coverage. I think it has great coverage, and it doesn't look cakey or anything. I'm gonna have to get some more soon. See, it's getting all thin. You can get this on QVC with their foundation brush. Okay, I take that back. I'm gonna try it again, but this comes with a free brush on QVC. If that deal is still active, I'll link it down below. Oh, and this is SPF, and that's another plus. But I used the brush like once or twice when I first got it, because I first tried this from Ipsy in like a smaller size like this, and I didn't really love the brush. But I put this on with my finger, like just put it all over my face, and then I'll like use a sponge just to like press it in. It's really quick, really easy. I love this stuff. And then today I also use their concealer. I have this in 2 shades. This is the one in Fair Cool. I like this one for under my eyes, and I also have light neutral, like cover like pimples or whatever. I actually just have the light neutral in my bathroom because I have like some things in my bathroom in an Ipsy bag just to like get ready really quick or something in there, and not my beauty room. And I have some stuff in this area too. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys that at some point. And this is in the same line, and I like it. So yeah, their skincare products I really like, or skin and their face products I should say I really like. I think they have the bronzer I have not tried yet. I would love to try that, and a face mask I haven't tried. I'm sure they have other products. I'm just thinking about what they have. But yeah, I was really excited to get this. There, yay. And 2 things to go. The next I'll probably put in the giveaway too, because I realize I have a lot of stuff. And a lot of it's actually gone bad because I haven't done like a deep declutter in like 2 years probably. And I just have a lot of face masks, and I just know I don't reach for them as much. These ones like charcoal masks like this, so I'm gonna pass it on. And I decided like for certain categories, probably like every category, unless something's like unique or I really want to try it or I really want to review it for you guys, I'm not gonna open something right away, especially skincare. So this is by Pure Lease. It's the matcha green tea and lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. And overall I do like Pure Lease products. So I think that's great it came in here, and it like goes with the green, you know. Oh my god, and like hemp, this purple palette, but like it goes with green too. Oh, I see what they're doing there. And green like rose or rosé, you know, I mean it's a plant. They did good. And the last thing in here I'm thinking about too is kind of like goes with it too. Let's just move on to this. I'm so not on my game today. This is called I Am Trash, and it's a perfume. And at first I was like, wait, what? Do I want to smell like trash? Does anyone like, no. I mean, I figured it doesn't actually smell like trash. But this is what the packaging looks like. And this is made from like recycled plants, I think. Because I was reading, I'm like, where are the fragrance notes? I've tried this brand before, like an orange scent by them. And what is their name? It's something like, oh, it says it right under there. Something I cannot pronounce for shit. Les Flores Duche. No. But this is literally called I Am Trash. It is made in France. And it says, beauty will save us from waste, a fragrant resurrection with upcycled ingredients, the first modern perfume of the 21st century. There are treasures in the trash, and we have found them for you. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and sniff. And it says the most wanted scent made from the unwanted. And I was like, this sounds genius. Please let it smell good. It smells amazing. I love it. I might have to purchase the full size because I love like everything about it. Like what they're doing and the scent of it. And at first I couldn't find the notes, but they're like right there. It's like tired brain, overworked body, bitter orange upcycling, apple upcycling, rose upcycling, cedarwood upcycling, and Garajute strawberry. Oh, at first it's like, what's Garajute? It must be a type of strawberry. And I love it. I am trash. Or I smell like trash and I love it. If trash smelled like this, I wouldn't be doing all this cleaning. Oh my gosh. And you get like what, 5 mLs in here or something? Yeah. So I am really happy about this. So I think overall this is worth it. I know I'm passing on a lot of stuff to you guys, but that makes me happy, like giving to you guys. And it goes with like the thankful thing in the bag. So I'm gonna keep the bag. No, I don't need it. I don't need all these bags. I don't know what bag your prizes will come in. Archer says he's You guys, I reorganized the whole area of my house for them. Like it is like cat area. I'll show you guys, I guess, or take a picture. And they're still not satisfied. They're not happy when I talk to you guys or anyone. I talked on the phone for like 1 minute earlier. I wasn't even on the phone. I took like a little video chat for a friend. And he was like, you're mine. So I should go attend to him. I said this would be quick and I'm almost at 18 minutes, but who thought I would be? I missed you guys. But I should be back to uploading. I'm trying not to miss one day, but like if anything, I'll miss one day. I've got a lot of boxes. I got my box charm premium and I'm excited about it. I got my Ipsy, I got Bombay and Sierra Beauty Box, Stitch Fix, brown paper packages, a new period subscription, Fruit for Thought. There's 2 other ones over there. I can't see because I built a cat fort. That's how cool of a cat mom I am. They're not even enjoying it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, I miss you, and I will see you soon. Bye.